Welcome back. Well, it's going to be a cooler than normal week, but we get milder toward the weekend, but big changes on the way from the weekend into next week. The coldest temperatures of the season on the way. So let's take a look at this upper level pattern as we look at the 500 millibar pattern and then the surface temperatures in that pink. That's Arctic air invading the U.S. as we head into the weekend and working its way southward toward the Gulf Coast. And it looks like a very efficient delivery from the Arctic down through the southern plains. So this is going to be colder than what we've previously seen, and it looks like some hard freezes ahead as we head into next week. Question is, will there be a little bit of an upper level disturbance that comes out of the Rockies in this upper level trough and gives us a chance of precipitation as we head into maybe Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday of next week? Too early to tell, but we have all week long to look at that. Meanwhile, we have high pressure in the wake of weak low pressure that is over by Florida. That's what gave us the rain late last night and early this morning. That's moving on out. Generally fair skies across the region with that ridge of high pressure building in. So tonight's going to be cooler than last night. 50 the low last night. This morning, tonight, we're favoring mid to upper 30s for most of Acadiana. Meanwhile, back to the west, it's a horrible situation. If you watch the evening news tonight, a particularly dangerous situation with red flag warnings tomorrow into Wednesday for winds turning the northeast to east, 15 to 25, gusts 50 or higher, especially in the mountainous areas. Very low humidity, and we still have plenty of ongoing fires across much of LA County and the surrounding hills as well. Here are the latest fires. This is the 2 o'clock wind particles. You can see the winds out of the east-northeast, so these fires will spread toward more populated areas once again. And then as we head toward Wednesday, it looks like those winds turn a little bit more easterly. So again, the fires could spread in a more easterly component. But this is you have downtown Los Angeles right here. You have Inglewood here, coastal areas, Long Beach down to the south, and then to the north, you get up toward the Simi Valley. You still have fires burning in around the Santa Clarita area, back to the north and west as well. So serious situation will continue for our friends in California. This disaster on par with the cost of Hurricane Katrina, not in human lives, but overall costs may go in the $200 billion range. We'll watch that. High pressure close to home. That sets up a pretty nice day tomorrow. Plenty of high clouds across the area, and those high clouds are associated with a weak disturbance that'll pass on by Wednesday. So that's why I have 20% a chance in for a few light showers or sprinkles Wednesday, maybe Wednesday night, ending early Thursday morning. And then we dry out as we head into the weekend, but then changes come Friday night. Temperatures tonight, low to mid 30s for the northern parishes. I think most of the plants are safe across most of Acadiana, especially I-10 corridor on southward. And if your plants are still covered, you can uncover them. You got till the weekend, and then you're going to have to prepare everything, including the pipes, maybe some pipe busting cold down the line. Temperature-wise, highs tomorrow in the mid to upper 50s across the board, so we're looking good there. And then as we move into tonight, we also have a full moon out there. And by the way, Mars at its closest point to the the Earth as well, so that's going to be nice and bright and red. And we have a full wolf moon out there tonight. Thus, I pull out the wolf sounds. And keep an eye on your friends and family members if they're acting a little weird. 59 the projected high for tomorrow. Lots of sunshine out there. Should be a gorgeous day. High clouds, though, dominating as the day wears on, and that will lead to a slight chance of a few showers Wednesday, maybe 10% early Thursday. Then going into Friday night, early Saturday, here comes that next cold front. We dip down and then head well down into the low to mid 20s for a couple of days, and highs only in the 30s. And if anything, these numbers may go a little bit lower. Then the question is, will we see any weather systems? Right now, we'll just put 20% in for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and we'll see if a storm system emerges, and we won't know that for a couple of more days. But we do know it's going to be the coldest air of the season coming next week. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up a little bit later on.